Okay, these are all the ingredients for the beef chili that I will make. I have 3 pounds of ground beef, garlic, onion, bell pepper, nor beef bouillon, salt, oregano, chili powder, diced tomato, kidney beans, and pinto beans. So okay, my pan is hot and I will put olive oil. I will start to saute my veggies, or just the bell pepper and onion and garlic and onion. I'll do this first. Okay, when it starts to cook just a little, I'm not gonna cook it all the way, so I will put the garlic. Smells good. So when it starts to cook a little, I will put it here. So when it starts to cook a little, I will put it here. I'll put it here in my crock pot because I will cook it in my crock pot. Okay. And now I will brown the ground beef. Brown it. I didn't put oil because this has oil already, the ground beef. I didn't get the lean, so I'll just brown this and strain the oil. I'll brown and strain the oil. So, it's almost done. It's brown already. I will turn my heat off. And I can drain this. Okay, I will start to drain the beef. Put it back here. It will drain there. See? I'm draining it now. Okay, now that I drain it, I'll put it here in the crock pot. Put in the crock pot. I put diced tomato, you can put how much you want, but I just want that big can of tomato. So kidney beans with juice on it. and the pinto beans, and I'll put the seasoning, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of nor beef bouillon, and 1 teaspoon of oregano leaves, and 1 teaspoon of chili, Mexican powder. This is not too hot. See, that's all. And I will put 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Okay, that's it. Stir it. And I will leave it in a crock pot in low heat because I'm going to work. See? So maybe I'll put it in high, yeah. That way I can bring some to work. Yeah. Okay, now put the lid on and just let it sit there. Okay, after an hour, let's check the chili. It looks good now. Looks yummy. I think I can have some before I go to work. Yum, yum. Okay. And I want to try my chili. Okay, so I will eat my chili before I go to work. There you go. Okay, so I will eat my chili before I go to work. There you go.